Hi, today we are discussing about the topic overthinking. We have heard in many places and many times we have even discussed about the topic overthinking. Many people are actually going through or suffering due to this overthinking factor. So people are trying to calm down their mind to reduce thoughts in their mind, and also people are trying to do several meditations and several other things, or focusing their life into anything having good purpose or such things people are doing because of getting rid from the factor overthinking. Overthinking definitely is a painful thing for people. Definitely it's a painful for people, but the real fact is that it's not overthinking which is hurting a person, but it is negative thinking which is hurting a person. So if you are thinking that we can realize that if you are overthinking into the direction, into a positive direction, will it hurt us? No, it will never hurt us. But the overthinking is hurting a person because he is overthinking in the direction, in the negative direction. So we are today thinking about the solution for this is actually how thoughts comes into a person. So thoughts comes into a person as per the energy inside the person. So like the nature of energy, so like which type of energy is inside the person, that decides the thoughts coming into that person. So it's like if a negative energy is filled in the inside the person, then he will be very much thinking about the many negative things, and all that negative thoughts coming to his mind, maybe thoughts of fear, anger, confusion, such like thoughts, or many other painful thoughts. It will be hurting that person. But if the person is filled with a positive energy, then definitely the thoughts coming into that person will be it will be the thoughts of love, joy, peace, positiveness, the thoughts of hope, the thoughts of dreams. So ultimately the problem caused due to overthinking is because the thinking direction is in a negative direction. So how we can handle this, or how we can treat this, is actually if a person is renewing his energy, the energy inside him, then he can overcome the situation. If the energy inside a person is renewing from negative energy to positive, then the thoughts coming into him will be positive. And after that, how intensely he is thinking into the direction of the thoughts coming, how intense he is, then according to the intensity the thoughts will come into that person. After renewing the negative energy inside him, after getting the new energy, it's like how he responds to that new energy. When the person is renewing his energy and getting the positive energy, and if he is responding intensely to that positive energy, then intense positive thoughts will come into that person, and he will think about much thing, but he will not suffer because the things, maybe the thoughts coming into him will be positive, because that person is now filled with positive thoughts. So the next thing we are thinking is how a person will transform the energy inside him is through meditation. So the meditation is a process in which a person allow himself, surrender himself to renew his energy. So in the world we can see several lots of meditations. We can see all that people are using for getting a well-being, internal well-being, for having a peaceful calm mind. People are doing lots of meditation, but ultimately if people are meditating God, then the ultimate most positive energy will come into that person. If the people are the person, particular person, if the person is meditating on God, then the energy of love comes into that person. Then after he is getting renewed his negative energy into positive by meditating God, then the thoughts, the intense thoughts coming into him will be of godly nature, like the thoughts of love, joy, peace, and all godly thoughts. and in that context that person will never get hurt or pain due to his overthinking. Thank you.